Hi, what's up, everybody? What's going on? Before this deal ends, because there's about a week left, it's exactly 7 days, 7 minutes, and 3 seconds. It's on the Humble Bundle store, and it's called the Game Studies by MIT Press. Okay, let's just say MIT. MIT is here with a bundle of great selections from their Game Studies catalog. Pickup titles like How Games Move Us, Emotion by Design, Superpower, Spoony Bards, and Silverware, the Super Nintendo Entertainment System, Developer's Dilemma, The Secret World of Video Game Creators, and more. We've never met a book from this press we didn't like. It's over $400 worth of digital books for people that's studying gaming. So if you're a person that's in high school and you're ready to do this as a career, this is probably a really good deal for you because you're not going to pay the full price. All right. And you pay whatever you want pretty much, but there's a limit, but I'll show you that in a second. It's DRM free. You don't have to worry about it being stuck to any kind of platform like buying something on Steam or whatever, and you can't use it unless you're logged into it. So it's DRM free. You can probably read this on any reader, on your desktop, on your mobile device, on your Kindle, stuff like that. Multi-format, and almost 16,000 bundles for this particular book bundle has been sold. I would have bought it if I thought my son would use it, but he's more into playing the game than studying how games work and things like that. But if he did want it, I would definitely buy it for him. But let's move down further here. These are some of the books. If you wanted to spend just $1, you could get 4 books, and those would be Play Between Worlds, Exploring Online Game Culture. The other is A Casual Revolution, Reinventing Video Games and Their Players. The other book, Uncertainty in Games. And the other is Play Matters. So these are the 4 books that you would get for $1. Okay, now if you wanted to spend $8, you can get the ones here that I just mentioned, plus these here. This is a lot. I didn't realize how much for $8. The Art of Failure, an essay on the pain of playing video games. That sounds interesting, actually. I would read that. Values, I mean, I'd read all of them, but that one in particular, probably first. I'd grab that one first. Values at Play in Digital Games. Works of Game on the Aesthetics of Games and Art. Digital Culture, Play and Identity, a World of Warcraft reader. Okay, I would definitely go for that one second. Yeah, I actually want to buy it for myself now. I didn't even read the titles until now. All right. Critical Play, Radical Game Design. That one would be the third one that I would read. Okay, The Well-Played Game, A Player's Philosophy. And The Warcraft Civilization, Social Science in a Virtual World. I would read that one fourth, because I really love World of Warcraft, and that was my... World of Warcraft and Age of Empires were the 2 games that I played multiplayer online that I had the biggest impact on me, I think, through my gaming life. All right, now if you wanted to spend $15, you also get the ones that I mentioned plus these. Okay, that's a lot. Superpower, Spoony Bards and the Silverware, the Super Nintendo Entertainment System. Okay, How Games Move Us, Emotion by Design. The next one, I Am Era, the Nintendo Family Computer Entertainment System platform. The other one, Codename Revolution, the Nintendo Wii platform. The other, Communities of Play, Emergent Cultures in Multiplayer Games and Virtual Worlds. Okay, Developer's Dilemma, The Secret World of Video Game Creators. I would read that one. That would be the 5th one I think I'd read. And Atari Age, The Emergence of Video Games in America. And maybe I would read that one first. Yeah, I switch it around. I think I'd read the Atari Age first. The Atari Age, The Emergence of Video Games in America. I had an Atari when I was a kid, so yeah. All right. And support a charity while you're doing that. But that's what it's about, people. That's what it's all about. That's actually why I'm making this video, because I want you guys to go and click on the link that I put in the description, because I have it set at charity water. Summer's here, and some places it's hot, and people don't have clean water to drink, and it doesn't take much to put a well in a village. Probably less than $50 American dollars. to put a well in a village somewhere in some third world country. But anyway, that's the charity that I have this set at, probably for a while. Most of my links for Humble Bundle is going to be set at either I'm going to switch back and forth from charity water to a cancer research group. So I hope you click it on and let me know if you're going to get the books or not. I'm going to make a decision if I'm going to get it before the 7 days are up, because I really do want to read them. Yeah, I can just go and put that on my Kindle and open them up there and have those books. Wouldn't it be cool if Humble Bundle actually did set it up to where you can buy it, all these books on your Amazon Kindle? I think that would be pretty cool. But anyway, folks, go and click on the link. You actually can choose on the bar after you do that where the money's allocated. If it go towards the book creators, if it go more towards the charity, I would say push a little bit more towards the charity water and all that. But if whatever you choose is good, as long as you enjoy the books. And if you don't like the books or whatever, just get this bundle for somebody else as a gift. You might say, well, I can't afford to give anybody gifts, and I think the person really deserves something. They're graduating, or they're making good grades in school, or they really like something, and you don't have a hell of a lot of money. This would be a nice gift to give to somebody. I've given away lots and lots of keys before in my lifetime, more than I can count actually, from Humble Bundle and Bundle Stars. And but yeah, go do that. Have fun, everybody. Take care. I'll be back with some more stuff later.